guys, it's Abby with the Bead Place and beadplace.net, and today I'm going to show you how to make a really cool pair of drop of blood earrings. Ooh, perfect for Halloween. So the things you'll need are 6 long head pins. These are silver filled head pins that are 3 inches long. You will also need 6 drops of blood. These are little teardrop Czechoslovakian glass beads. You'll need a pair of earring findings, and you'll also need 2 jump rings. The tools you'll need are either a one-step looper, your chain nose pliers, or you'll need a round nose pliers, your chain nose pliers, and a cutter. The first thing that we're going to do is load our beads onto the head pins. 1 bead per 1 head pin, and make sure the drop side is down and the pointed side is up. So load them on just like that. So now what we're going to do is set them out in 2s. All right, we are going to take our longest head pin and put it through the pliers, right underneath the pin and through the hole. So through, under the pin, and out the hole on the other side. And once it is just barely into that hole, what we're going to do is close the pliers. And now we have an awesome closed loop. We're going to do the same thing to the next one. Work in pairs here. Don't try to do one earring and then do the next earring. Work 2 at a time. There we go. So now we have 2 earring dangles and they are the exact same length. So let's say you don't have a one-step looper and you are ordering one from beadplace.net, but you have decided that you can't wait and you want to do this pair of earrings right away. What you could do is take your round nose pliers. With our next dangle, we are going to decide that we want it to be about half the length of this dangle here. I want it to be about half the length, so I'm going to cut right about there. So I'm going to cut them both at the same length. Perfect. Now with our round nose pliers, what we can do is just take the very end, just like this, and bend it over and down, and that makes our short dangle. So take the end, loop it around, and bend it down, just like that. So then what we can do is make the next dangle. So with this one, I think I'm going to do about halfway between these 2. So I have my long ones, my short ones, and now what I'm going to do is cut a pair that are about halfway between them. So I'm going to cut right about right there. I'll show you how to do one with the one-step looper and one with the round nose pliers. So I've got the one-step looper here. I'm going to put the head pin through it and close it. There we go. And now with the last one, I'm going to measure my size, cut just a little bit above it, and then take my round nose pliers, hold it at the very top, and bend all the way down. All right, so now what I'm going to do is assemble the earrings. So I'm going to take one of my jump rings and hold it so that the break is at 12 o'clock. I've got the break right here at 12 o'clock. I've got 1 pliers going straight up and down and 1 pliers coming in sideways. These are both my chain nose pliers. And I'm going to open the jump ring in this direction so that it opens like this and never like this. Now what I'm going to do is load in one of my shortest dangles, one of my medium dangles, and then my longest dangle. And make sure that your dangles are all going in the same direction, or the loops are going in the same direction, I should say. But make any adjustments that you need to. And then, once your dangles are in, what you can do is put your earring finding in and close it. And check that out. So we'll repeat, then the medium, and then the short one, and then the earring finding. That way they're opposites. Now, before you wear these earrings with your costume or just every day because they're that stinking cute, check to make sure that all of your loops are closed adequately. Once you've done that, you're good to go. So you can find these materials in kit form at www.beadplace.net. They are called the Drop of Blood earrings. You'll find them in the kits and in the Halloween section. Or you can use whatever you want and get super creative and make a really fun, funky pair of earrings. Thanks for watching.